This wasn't your normal weather. I spent hours looking at the weather models, and even on the day, things changed.
You can see why Cologne would have been very difficult, right?
Even after we changed plans to fly via northern Germany, we encountered more stormy weather, even encountering a severe lightning storm on approaching to Nuremberg.
Golf November Yankee, descend to altitude 5,000 feet.
Descent to altitude 5,000 feet, Golf November Yankee. Ooh, lightning.
Saw that, yeah.
It truly was threading the needle.
This was the stuff that was going to cause us a bit of issues. So it's just to the south of Rotterdam and over Belgium, so it would have been quite interesting and fun going around it. But this is the stuff that you want to avoid, right? Because it can, in a small airplane, and then with you guys, I don't want to rock around too much. Right, I'm with you.
Golf November Yankee heading to London 121-230.
Heading to London Control 121-230, bye-bye, Golf November.
My left for keep speed.
Descend flight over 120 and direct to Lapra to B11 and maintain the speed Ryanair 2517.
Flyer 11 Alpha, contact Thames 1327, bye-bye.
Set over P2 decimal 7, Flyer 11 Alpha, bye.
November 2702, reduced to 220 knots.
220 knots, 2702.
London Control, good afternoon, Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankee heading 075, kindly flight level 130.
November Yankee, London Control, roger.
So we're in a climb at the moment, but it's saying we should be 15 minutes late, based on us in a climb. When we're level flight in about 5 minutes, that will speed up to about 42. So we should have an hour on the ground almost, but I'm not going to take that for granted.
Kilo 10580, score down, clear your control down, so it's on track, and I'm climbing flight level 130.
It's going to be roughly about on time, so it should be right.
230 knots.
We're going up to 13,000, yeah?
Yeah, we use the tailwind to get there quicker. Give or take. Anyway, the airport's there, but we're going that way, and then we'll go left before that weather. Hopefully we get airborne before that sits on the airport.
Golf Zero Alpha November Yankee, you can contact Amsterdam now on 125.750.
125.750, is that Golf November Yankee?
Okay, found lovely.
Pretty big, aren't they? Again? This lot here.
Oh, you're a bit of a sad.
I said the weather's pretty big, isn't it?
Good.
We're about 80 miles to go, so not far. So I've got to pick our way through all of that, and this is catching up with us. Quite slowly, but it is catching up. You just got to pick a hole. Don't want to go in that one, basically. We just go for where it looks smoothest.
Shamrock 60 call, descent level 180, seat after Zulu to Sierra Papa Lima.
Descent level 180, after Zulu to Sierra Papa Lima, Shamrock 60 Golf.
KLM 958, descent level 70.
Descent flight level 70, KLM 958.
Golf November Yankee, make it at least 1,000 feet a minute.
Okay, Golf November Yankee. Might hurt your ears a little bit.
Call, descent level 70.
Descent level 70, Shamrock 60 Golf.
Golf November Yankee, make it at least 1,500 feet a minute.
Okay, we'll try. Just passenger comfort, 15 feet a minute, we're trying our best to Golf November Yankee. Approach hello, Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankee, DA40. Information Yankee, heading 60 by Muscles.
Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankee, Rotterdam approach, after Muscles heading 090, vectors for the ILS, Zulu runway 24. Information is Zulu, descent flight level 40.
Descent flight level 40, and if possible, come request the RMP.
Golf November Yankee, that is possible.
Okay, RMP runway 24, Golf November Yankee. Yeah, Rotterdam's over there on the left.
Altitude.
So we might just make it in time before this weather comes in. Well, we'll land before, I'm going to take off before it comes, as you can imagine. And Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankee.
Golf November Yankee, go.
Yeah, can we have a left turn, please? Just we're heading towards Charlie Bravo.
Golf November Yankee, turn left, heading 060.
Yeah, that should be great. Thanks for that, Golf November Yankee.
Golf November Yankee, Tower, good afternoon, runway 24, clear to land. The wind's now 260 degrees, 11 knots, gusting 17.
Copied. Clear to land, runway 24, Golf November Yankee.
Minimums.
Landed.
Tower, the Oscar Mike Tango, turning final runway 24.
Oscar Mike Tango, Tower, good afternoon, you're number 1 now. The wind's 260 degrees, 11 knots, gusting 17.
Number 1, Oscar Mike Tango.
Golf November Yankee, you can vacate via Victor 3. Marshall will guide you to the flying club. Have a nice day.
Victor 3, Wilco, Golf November Yankee.
Unmanned Sky Motion Tower. And Sky Motion, to be sure that you are finished for the rest of the day. Sky Motion, copied, switch off approved, fijne dag.
Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankees, holding Victor 4, we're ready in sequence.
Golf November Yankee, Roger, hold your position.
Wilco, Golf November Yankee, holding position.
Golf November Yankee, line up away to 4 Victor 4. We have to wait 2.5 more minutes for the wake turbulence.
Yep, line up wait, runway 24, and I like that idea. Golf November Yankee, thank you.
November Tango Charlie, ready for departure, Victor 5.
November Tango Charlie, Roger, line up await to 4 Victor 5, intersection departure in front.
Red line away to 4 Victor 5, November Tango Charlie.
Might be a bit bumpy this one, just I can't really see the weather picture at the moment, but it's pretty grim. It's like that, but we should be able to find a way through it that way.
Golf November Yankee, runway 24 cleared for takeoff. The wind's now 260 degrees, 1 for knots, custom 19er.
Okay, take off 24, Golf November Yankee. Airspeed alive, T's and P's green.
November Tango Charlie, runway 24 cleared takeoff. The wind's 260 degrees, 1 for knots, custom 19er.
Take off for the November Tango Charlie.
Golf November Yankee, climb fly level 50.
Climb fly level 50, Golf November Yankee.
Golf November Yankee, kwartier with Schiphol, 119er, decimal 055, nice flight.
19055, Schiphol, Golf November Yankee, thank you.
Climb now to the Golf, right 095, descend 3000 feet, QNH 1014.
Right heading 095, altitude 3000 feet, QNH 1014, kilometer 90 Golf.
Skipper departure, hello, it's Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankee on the Arnhem 3 Bravo departure. Climbing to flight level 50, we're probably going to have to make some big deviations, but we'll let you know.
Golf November Yankee, proceed direct point SONAP and climb flight level 90.
Okay, just confirm that's direct SONAP, climb flight level 90, Golf November Yankee.
Correct, sir.
Right, so my plan is we're going to go left of this.
6 over Juliet, your left, heading 255.
I'll try and get out there to avoid the weather. But as soon as we start getting close, I'll have to ask for a left turn. So I've got to get around this somehow.
Heading 090.
Heading 090, kilometer 62.
Canada 1555, speed 180.
Speed 180, is Canada 1555.
Canada 1905, contact 12488.
12488, Canada 1905.
I think that's a clear route.
Golf November Yankee, still happy on that heading?
Yes, happy on this heading. If possible, can we have a climb that seems to be clear ahead of us, and then we should be able to take a right turn once we get past this cell.
Sure. Golf November Yankee, climb flight level 60, report any other intentions.
Okay, just this heading for now, climb flight level 60, Golf November Yankee.
3724, contact
once we get above it, it just won't climb me, that's the problem. There's a cell there, I can see it.
3724, bye.
Once we get around this, I should be able to make a right turn.
Alpine 37 Golf Charlie, descending flight level 70 river. Golf November Yankee, climb flight level 100.
Flight level 100, Golf November Yankee.
Alpine 37 Golf Charlie, descend 3000 feet, 1014.
3 degrees, 6 degrees.
3000 feet, QNH 1014, Alpine 37 Golf Charlie.
That's okay, that's C2X.
Taker, heading 310, 1184.
Heading 310, 1184, Shabbat. Seat 727.
Canadian 4 Delta, connect 134375.
34375, Canadian 4 Delta. Thank you, bye-bye.
Bye.
We can go right now.
Good evening, fly 23 X-ray. Golf November Yankee, when able, proceed to SONAP.
When able, proceed to direct SONAP, Golf November Yankee.
Arctic Papa Lima by 65 Delta Juliet.
Golf November Yankee. Request turn over about 150, just got one more cell to go around.
Golf November Yankee, say again please.
Request the right turn now, 150, just got one more cell, just about 2 miles away, we need to turn right, 150.
Golf November Yankee, that is approved.
Right turn 150, Golf November Yankee.
Enia 155, contact approach, 119er 055.
You can see why Cologne would have been very difficult, right?
Alpine 65 Delta Juliet, report your weather deviation to approach on 119er 055.
119er 055, Alpine 65 Delta Juliet.
So we've caught up a little bit, but not much. We're supposed to be departing there at 1715Z. And we've got to worst case scenario 9:30, but that's my half an hour buffer I don't really want to use. So, if we go 10 minutes late out of here, quick toilet, pay.
Yeah, sure.
Golf November Yankee, descend to flight level 80.
And flight level 80, Golf November Yankee.
Altitude.
Sounds good. We got to beat that stuff there now, look. Should be a clear run and then get in before that comes tonight. Gonna be a wet night tonight.
Golf November Yankee, descend altitude 4,000 feet on the Paderborn QNH 1015.
Okay, send 4,000 feet, 1015, Golf November Yankee. Golf November Yankee just coming fully established runway 24.
Golf November Yankee, that's copied, contact tower 133, decimal 380, goodbye.
Okay, contact tower now 133, decimal 380, Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankee, thank you, bye. Tower, hello, it's Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankee, let's approach runway 24, 5.5 miles.
Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankee, Paderborn Tower, hello, wind 340 degrees, 4 knots, runway 24, clear land.
Clear land, runway 24, Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankee. All the way down to the decision height. All pilots off, I have control.
Autopilot. Approaching minimums.
Where do you want us to vacate, Golf November Yankee?
Golf November Yankee, if possible, next to left, is that possible?
Yeah, left Bravo, and then we just need some Jet A1 before we go to Nuremberg.
Ja, vacate by Bravo, taxi, your descent is 9er X-ray via Bravo and Alpha.
Bravo and Alpha, 9er X-ray, Golf November Yankee.
Correct, Foxtrot is any time ready for total approach, if it helps you.
And a Golf November Yankee request.
Go.
Yeah, I realise we've landed quite late. Any possibility of delaying our flight plan?
Yeah, we'll check it.
Okay, cool. Not sure how long fuel takes, but I'm going to say call it 20 minutes from now. Departure, hello, Gisty, corrections, Golf 2, Alpha November Yankee on the Gisty 1 Whiskey departure, passing 2,400 for 5,000.
Golf Zulu, Alpha November Yankee, Handover identified, climb flight level 900.
Climb flight level 90, and if possibility, are we able to take 110 due to some weather?
Golf November Yankee, roger, climb flight level 110.
Amazing, thank you very much, climb flight level 110, Golf November.
Golf November Yankee, push direct to Delta November 426.
Just confirm the waypoint.
That's waypoint 426, Delta November 426.
Delta November 426, Golf November Yankee. Should be a clear route. Doesn't look too bad, it's just that stuff's coming in quite quick.
Golf November Yankee, contact 124, decimal 730, goodbye.
124, decimal 730, Langham radar, Golf November Yankee, bye. Radar, hello, Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankee, climb in flight level 110, direct Delta November 426.
Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankee, identified on off.
Lufthansa 8 Lima Echo, contact by radar on 133, decimal 655, goodbye.
123, 655, Lufthansa 8 Lima Echo, ciao.
We're pretty lucky, to be fair. That would have been our route from Cologne. That. All out there.
Lufthansa 5 Alpha Tango, maintain speed 320 knots operator.
Lufthansa 5 Alpha Tango, speed 320 knots operator.
Once we get past here, I should be able to see a little bit. It's just this stuff here.
Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankee, are you fine at flight level 9 Zulu?
Yeah, it seems fine for now, actually. We're in between two layers. Just want to see where we're going, because our radar's only every 15 minutes.
Roger.
I mean, to be fair, it was fine, but I couldn't see where I was going with that stuff there.
Yeah.
So, it was fine to go through, but I couldn't see what was there, if there was something like that there. Yeah. Whether there, Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankee.
Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankee, go.
Yeah, is there any possibility of the other runway direction? Just that it might be a little bit simpler for us to go that way. Otherwise, I think what we're going to have to do is Dodos, Nuremberg, and then do a sort of a dogleg pattern just because of this weather.
Golf November Yankee, I check with tower for you.
Yeah, great. We just listened to information Sierra into variable 2.
Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankee, expect vectors for ILS approach runway 10, correction, RP approach runway 10.
Brilliant. Thank you very much. RP runway 10. You are a star. Golf November Yankee. We're going to change runways, coming in left rather than go all that way. We'll go that way, down. Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankees ready for descent.
Golf November Yankee, descend to factor 80.
Descend for level 80, Golf November Yankee.
Vertical track. Descend to altitude 6,000 feet, QNH 1015.
6,000 feet, QNH 1015, Golf November Yankee. This is perfect timing, look at that. The distance between each weather, 10 miles.
Golf November Yankee, descend to altitude 5,000 feet.
Descent to altitude 5,000 feet, Golf November Yankee. Oh, that's dark.
Dust.
Altitude.
That is really dark. Might get a bit of rain. I won't want to go that way. That's pitch black, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Golf November Yankee, after Delta November 432, cleared RMP approach runway 10, maintain 5,000 feet into this elevation.
Okay, after Delta November 432, cleared RMP approach.
Altitude.
Runway 10, maintain 5,000 feet into establishment. Golf November. Ooh, lightning.
Saw that, yeah.
Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankees established RP runway 10.
Golf November Yankee, Roger. Contact tower on 118.305.
Okay, contact the tower and just confirm we're allowed to descend with the procedure.
Golf November Yankee, affirm descent according to procedure.
Then according to procedure, tower 118.305. Thank you so much for your help today. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Nuremberg Tower. Hello, Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankee with you. RMP approach. Runway 10.
Golf Zulu Alpha November Yankee, Nuremberg Tower, hello. Wind 010 degrees, 8 knots, runway 10, clear to land.
Return to runway 10, and thanks very much for your help with negotiating the different approach.
You're welcome.
Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Golf November Yankee vacating right via Delta.
Golf November Yankee, Roger, vacate via Delta. When vacated, hold position.
Hold in position, Golf November Yankee. Clear on the right.
Well done, my man.
Robbie, well done.
We beat the curfew. Brilliant.